Hey guys, so I'm back with another in my horoscope series, and these nails are for all you Leos out there. Like my other horoscope videos, I searched what colour Leos are best suited, and apparently they like gold, purple and burnt orange. So, I hope you enjoy. So I started off with painting my nails with the gold from the OPI Mexico collection. I'll leave which one it is in the description box below. And then with my Moyou London Zodiac, this is obviously the Leo plate, and super chic lacquer in 40 winks. I just stamped these really cool little, what are they, little teardrop patterns. And I just filled that in with a burnt orange polish. Only the bits I wanted though, the little teardrops. And I just left that to the side to dry, but it was still a little bit tacky, so I just stamped it straight on my nail. And I did that for my index and pinky. Here I'm just painting my middle finger with a burnt orange, and then with that same plate and that same super chic polish, I just stamped the lime. And here I am with that super chic polish. I'm just painting my ring finger, and with that same plate I'm using a gold polish and just stamping this paw print, but it's also got the Leo sign on it. It's really cute. Gave me Wildcat vibes from High School Musical. And just stamped that on my nail. And finally, a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these Leo nails. And I'm so happy with how they come out. Like, the colour combination is just great. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe. Subscribe would be good. And feel free to check out the rest of my horoscope series. I'll leave a link in the cards or in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.